Spring is around the corner, and the Iranians will celebrate Nowruz, the Persian New Year, on 21st of March, which will be the first day of first month of Iranian New Year in Persian calendar. People make or buy lots of cookies, candies, sweets, and confections to celebrate Nowruz or Persian New Year. And one of the most popular ones is made with rose water and marzipan, resembling mulberries, which is called Toot in Farsi. Hi everyone, or as we say in Farsi, salam be hamegi. This is Rosina from rosinaspersiankitchen.com. Welcome back to my channel where you can cook delicious food recipes. Today I'm going to share one of the most popular sweets that traditionally served for Iranian New Year. It's called Toot in Farsi and made with ground almond. This recipe is very easy and quick, no need to bake or cooking. Just you need few ingredients, mix all ingredients together and voila, you will have a large batch of beautiful sweets. Ingredients for making marzipan sweets are 2 cups of ground almond, 2 cups of icing sugar, 3 tablespoons rose water or orange blossom, 1 teaspoon ground cardamom, some silvered almond or pistachios, food coloring, and white sugar for coating. In a large bowl, add icing sugar, ground almond, cardamom, give a quick stir, and then gradually add rose water or orange blossom and mix all ingredients well until you have a soft paste. At this stage you can use your hand and combine ingredients together. Now we have a soft paste like this. At this stage you can have plain paste, the same color of ground almond, or you can add some food coloring and give more beautiful color to your marzipan sweets, as I will do in few seconds. Divide marzipan paste into the small pieces. Place each one in a separate bowl. And add food coloring. Some red, some yellow, and go on with your other colors you would like to add. Now mix color with marzipan paste until you have a beautiful colored paste. Take a small piece of marzipan paste and form a tiny ball or mulberry. Then roll each marzipan paste in the regular sugar and coat it. Give some design to the paste, something like this, and then place a silver almond or pistachio on top of each paste in order to make it like the stem of the mulberry fruit. Easy, quick and delicious rice recipes to help you with cooking. I will leave a link in description box and you can get it. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it and make sure subscribe my channel and join my YouTube family, and please hit the notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming videos. Until next time, take care and lots of love. Bye!